Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a realistic clean with me for 2019. We will be cleaning my entire home and this is what it actually looks like. I did have to split up this clean with me into 2 days because I started really late on the first day and my back was killing me from being pregnant. So I hope you enjoy. Alright, so I did start this on Monday right before dinner. This is what it looks like before. Surprisingly, my front room isn't that bad, but that just means my playroom is messy. Aria spent a lot of time in her playroom today, so we need to get that picked up and dinner going.
Every day I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection on me. Getting back up on my feet.
Baby, how did you do this? Alright, and of course, as soon as I started cleaning, Aria goes and spills her juice that I had just given her. But this is a realistic video, and that is mom life sometimes. Alright, so one thing I used to do all the time is dishes all day long, but it was driving me insane. So now we just kind of rinse them out and leave them in the sink until right before dinner, and then I do a quick cleanup after dinner too, and it has completely changed my life. Let me know how often you do dishes. And then for this entire clean with me video, I am just using the Method all-purpose cleaner. I have been doing deep cleaning for spring cleaning, so today I just need to kind of get rid of the clutter that's kind of collected throughout my house and just wipe all the surfaces down. And this is my go-to if I want to get the job done fast.
Give me some directions to get to you, ain't gonna waste my time. I know that we...
Alright, so there is going to be a lot of vacuuming. I feel like vacuuming is that one job I do all the time, but with having a dog and a cat and sheds, and my house just seems to collect dust no matter how many times we change its filter. I really need to invest into one of those robotic vacuums to kind of help out, but this is that all day long task. Let me know how often you have to vacuum your home.
Yeah, I am begging you, I'll break the rules if it will get me to you.
All right, and Aria did decide to eat breakfast in here. She doesn't normally do that, so I was surprised when she wanted to, which I was perfectly okay with. The only problem with is this vacuum is specifically for hardwood floors, so trying to vacuum up the shag carpet was a little bit tough. As you can see, I'm struggling a little bit, but you can't really tell that bad since I sped up this footage. All right, and then for dinner, we were just doing some salsa chicken that I had as a part of my freezer meals. I'm just trying to cook all those out. And then I love just getting canned corn and these instant potatoes. So right before the chicken's done, I go ahead and start to boil my water. And then, of course, I go back to vacuuming.
Mommy just cleaned that. Do you care?
Tell me what to do, what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you, begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to, yeah. I'm going out on my own because the party don't stop. So put your hands on me and turn me on, turn me on. Because the party don't stop. So put your hands on me and turn me on, turn me on.
You are my pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memory.
And then this little area by my stairs really does get neglected when it comes to cleaning, and it collects so much dust. We don't really put anything here. I'm surprised it's not one of my catch-all spots, but I definitely need to figure out how to just decorate this item a little bit. I was loving the candle, but I'm not anymore. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments below.
The place we found, we'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, 'cause we will still be high when the lights out.
All right, and if you guys have been asking, yes, Aria was potty trained for a little bit, but then she started screaming anytime I put her on the toilet, but she's finally showing interest again. So normally what happens if I have to use the restroom, I just bring her in with me, and then she sits on this little potty, and that has been helping, but we are not fully potty trained. We are back in diapers, unfortunately.
We can pretend the time is still, stay in the daydream, chase the thrill, make up the way as we go, live for the moment, lose control. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know, let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor, fling your lighter, take a smoke, put your broken rip off, wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found, we'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both.
All right, but that is it for day one. My back just started killing me so bad, and dinner was done, and Eric was coming home soon. So of course I have to go around my house because my child is still awake, do a quick cleanup before dinner, and then just resume the next day. So for day 2, I did just move upstairs. This is our guest room. No one really stays in here. It's kind of the cat's room. So we did actually just wash all of our bedding and sheets for the guest room and the master bedroom. So I did not need to do that today, but I just wanted to wipe everything down since no one's really in here. It just gets super dusty and I hate it.
Sleeping on the side of the bed though, weeks of gone can't let go. I go crazy when you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name.
All right, and this is definitely a catch-all spot upstairs. We just kind of throw things there as we're walking downstairs. I kind of want to turn this into like a command center or just do something with it. I definitely need to go through the cabinets, but for now, it just holds our maternity pictures from Aria. All right, and this bathroom gets so messy. So my husband is super nice and he uses our guest bathroom to get ready for work so he doesn't disturb Aria and I, since lately I have been sleeping in because I'm so exhausted. So I just need to go through, wipe everything down, and pick up all of the clothes. This is probably the dirtiest room upstairs since I did not do a deep clean of this room yet.
Turn the words up and say it to Emma. Sleeping on the side of the bed though, weeks of gone can't let go. I go crazy when you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name, I go crazy. When you call my name.
Okay, and my husband uses hairspray, and honestly, it was just kind of caked on to the counter. I try to wipe it off as much as possible, but I definitely need to go back and clean it up some more. What do you do to avoid getting hairspray all over the place? Okay, so it was driving me nuts that my hampers were disappearing, and come to find out, my husband has been a little laundry ninja this past week, and late at night when we go to bed, he usually stays up and he's been sneaking a load of laundry every night. So I actually did not need to do that, and I was so thankful. But there were a couple of clothes from this morning that I just needed to pick up and put into the laundry.
Cold where you left me, left again. Oh, there's a jungle in my head going wilder, and it's killing me. I cannot let you go. I cannot let you go.
All right, guys, I am super guilty. I hate making my bed. I find it pointless, especially since we have to just get back into bed at the end of the night. So I do a proper bed making, I don't even know what to call it, once a week when I wash my sheets. So like I said, we just did that 2 days ago. And then other than that, we're not crazy sleepers, even with being co-sleeping parents and having a toddler with us. So I'm able to just kind of pull my sheets back up and make the bed look nice. Let me know if you absolutely love making your bed or if you dread it, because I dread it. Okay, I don't know why this bathroom is so dusty, but it is disgusting. That's not even dirt. It's just full of dust and hair from Aria and I. I shed so bad. I definitely need to switch up my shampoo and conditioner and probably just get a haircut in general, but the dust is gross in here.
Call me please. I folded every thought like a razor, carving deep memories. Oh, am I standing at the wrong intersection? Come back to me, back to me. How could I let you?
And it's actually not March 18th. I'm just really, really bad at changing this calendar. And then I was just super lazy and I did not want to bring my vacuum upstairs, so I do like to just kind of sweep everything down. Plus, I'm able to sweep off the stairs as well, and then I just kind of vacuum it up at the end with the smaller vacuum. There was a lot more dust and just pet dander, but Aria actually helped me and grabbed the dustpan and went through most of it away, so I was really thankful for that until I went into the kitchen and realized that she missed the garbage can and it was all over the floor. But that is my entire home cleaning routine. Like I said, I do a deep cleaning separately because it just gets overwhelming and I don't want to spend all day cleaning. So this was just a quick wipe down and declutter. If you are new and you want to see more videos like this, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button. As always, I love you and I will see you in my next video.